Hello friends! Welcome to another tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your likes on Facebook. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then, tap on the three lines located in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Immediately after, tap on the Settings option. In this section, scroll down, and in the Your Activity section, tap on the Activity Log option. Here you will see all your activity on Facebook, including everything you do. Now, select the Your Activity Across Facebook option, and then tap on Comments and Reactions. And then on Likes and Reactions. And now you'll see a list of every individual like you've given on Facebook, including likes on videos, posts, and even photos. I hope this video has helped you find your likes on Facebook. If it has, you know what to do. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching, folks. Stay well, and see you in the next video.